Hi guys, my name is Heidi Jepson with thelifeworthstrivingfor.com. Today I'm going to show you something that I'm really passionate about, and that is rolling out your pecs. I'm a massage therapist, so I get a ton of people coming into the spa that I work at and in my home where I do private practice telling me that their neck and their shoulders hurt, and that's really why they came to a massage therapist. Well, I can do some really nice work on their back and on their neck, but really the work that's going to change that's going to fix the problem, is the work on the pec muscles. So once we are able to elongate those pec muscles, that's able to allow the muscles in the back that are being overstretched or locked long to be where they need to be. So we're going to really get rid of the pain. And that's what I'm looking to do, is help heal my patients as opposed to just covering up the problem by doing some nice massage in the area, which is great, right? But it's not fixing the problem. So this is something that you can do on a daily basis to help fix the problem yourself. Because a lot of people don't have time or the means to go and have a massage every week, let alone every day. And so let me show you what you can do in your home in order to help fix this problem yourself. I like to use a softball because it's accessible, and that's what I was taught to use. I really like it. So I come up against a wall. If you're worried about the paint on the wall, you should probably use a different wall in order to do this. I'm not too worried about the paint on this wall. So what you want to do is you're going to find a spot on your pecs, and this is pretty easy to do, easier than it may appear, but you're going to find a spot that's sore. Pin the softball between the wall and your pec, find that spot and hold it. Push your body weight into the softball. You're going to feel that pressure. It's going to be a little bit painful. Pec work always is a little bit painful, honestly, but this is really what's going to solve the problem that I talked about earlier. Now if you want to up the level of this rolling out or the deep work, you're going to call for some movement, and it's going to look like this. It's a little snow angel movement. You're going to go all the way up. It's going to be painful because the muscles are kind of stretching across this softball or pinging across the softball, and so you're going to feel it as you go, but that's really what's going to help loosen up these pec muscles. And this is really what deep tissue work looks like. When I'm working on someone's pecs, I tend to get a fist in there or an elbow in there, and then I hold in order for that area to release. So this is a really great way for you to release these pec muscles on your own. For how long are you going to want to do this? I like to do this 3 times a week, and I tend to do about 2 minutes on each side. And that doesn't seem or sound like a ton, but it's really made a big difference in the way that I feel and the way that where my shoulders sit. My pecs are opened up so that my shoulders can not only sit where they need to be, but my muscles in the back are not locked along. So there you go. That's how you do deep tissue work on your own pecs.